forest deep, we roam by night. Two wolves, one black, one shining white. Fate had tied our paths so tight, underneath the moon's soft light. One in shadow, one in glow, through the dark and through the snow. Paths entwined where'er we go, timeless bond that none can know. White wolf howls a song of old, black wolf's eyes like ice and cold. Tales of battles, days of gold, legends in the starlight told. One in shadow, one in glow, through the dark and through the snow. Paths entwined where'er we go, timeless bond that none can know. White wolf howls a song of old, black wolf howls a song of old. Black wolf's eyes like ice and cold, tales of battles, days of gold, legends in the starlight told. One in shadow, one in glow, through the dark and through the snow. Paths entwined where'er we go, timeless bond that none can know. When the dawn breaks and shines bright, two wolves blend both dark and light. Together they set wrongs to right, balance held with all their might. In the silence pre-dawn gray, two wolves chase the night away. Step by step they lead the way into another breaking